So I've been trying to design a stash container, and this was the first try. It was too small. Second try was a little better, but it's still too tight from the top, so I wouldn't be able to take it out. And then this is the latest one. Let me show you. This one you can take out and you can put back in. And if it's perfect, well, almost perfect. Like perfect because it won't go out, but size wise, this is still not working out. And then so I've been prototyping, right? This is the newest prototype. So hopefully this works. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so the problem is not that it won't go in and that it won't come out, because so I tried the other cap. This is the one I made with this cup. Fits in here too, but I think this is, the thread is too big. And this one, it fits. Still gives you a little room in here, which kind of don't like it because it's not completely sealed, but the glass inside is sealed, so your stuff will never get dry.